Okay, so good afternoon. Again, my name is Judge Ruth Garrett. I'll be hearing your cases this afternoon. I have case number. First of all, I have the case UC 641 Covington versus Michelle Davison and all occupants. Case number 213411973. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, may I have your name?
Michelle Davison.
Okay, Ms. Davison, you're here today for a non-payment of rent case. Attorney Asphalt was present earlier. He's in another courtroom, and so I gave him a court date and advised him I would give you the same date. You're here for a non-payment of rent case. Plaintiff is seeking past due rents. It is the first hearing, and the court is adjourning all first hearings. So that's why I gave the date, because he knew it was going to be adjourned. So just 1 second. And I do want to ask a question for just a second, Ms. Davidson. Okay, Ms. Davidson, you're the tenant at 661 Covington Drive, apartment B7, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your next court date is going to be May the 7th. That's a Friday at 9:10 a.m. It's going to be a remote hearing, so you're going to Zoom in like you did today, 10 minutes prior to your court date. Okay, also, Ms. Davison, have you spoken or are you working with any of the nonprofit legal agencies in reference to your rights or federal funding that may come available? Have you spoken to anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, we do have attorneys that are present today. Are you interested in speaking with an attorney to go over your rights and or find out about possible federal funding?
Yes, please.
Okay. So you have your court date. I'm going to see if an attorney is available to speak with you. If they are, you're going to go into a breakout room, and once you're done, you're free to leave. You need not come back into the meeting room. Do we have an attorney that's available to speak with Ms. Ferguson?
Davison, I'm Ferguson.
I just put your paper down. I'm sorry. Ms. Davison, speak with Ms. Michelle Davison. Do we have an attorney that's available?
Your Honor, this is Wendy Cooper. I'm available to speak with her.
Okay, and I kind of laughed, Miss Ferguson. It's been a long day, so I'm kind of like my hand is ahead of me. I had your I had Miss Davison's file. I placed it to the side, so that's why I missed. Okay, but I know who you are, and thank you for reminding me. Okay, so Attorney Cooper is going to speak with you, Miss Davison, and I'm going to place you in breakout room number 2, Miss Davison, and once you're done, you're free to leave. You're going to see the prompt. Thank you, Attorney Cooper, and that's breakout room 2. Have a good day, ma'am.
Could you also put Carolyn Cushing in the breakout room as well, Your Honor?
Sure.
Thank you.
Hey, Miss Cushing, breakout room number 2. You are in. Thank you. Okay, now the next case is Gloria Ferguson. Case number 213411977.
Right.
It is UC 850 Whitmore LP versus Gloria Ferguson. Good afternoon, Ms. Ferguson. Can I have your name again?
Gloria Ferguson.
And you're the tenant at 850 Whitmore Road, apartment 506?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so yes, what I did, Attorney Asphalt was present earlier. He had a number of cases in different courtrooms. So this is the first hearing. It is a non-payment of rent case, and he's well aware that the court is adjourning all first hearings. Your next court date is going to be May the 7th at 9:20.
Okay, but you know what, Judge, I'm sorry to interrupt you. The part that was listed on my on the complaint of $1,450, I paid it today.
Oh, you're paid up?
Yes.
Okay. This was filed in, they filed this in January. So have you paid your February and March rent?
I paid today, I paid $1,450. I was assuming that was for January and February.
Okay, so now you need March rent. Why don't you do this? Why don't you do this? How much is your rent per month?
$700.
Okay, so we do have an attorney available to speak with you, because I can call attorney Affleck back, not Affleck, Asphalt back to speak with you. He knows it's going to be adjourned, because even though you paid the $1,400, you still have a balance for March. So would you like to speak with an attorney? Now, this could happen. He could do a dismissal, but at this point, why don't you speak with an attorney, and they can contact him.
I don't know how to do that on this, all that stuff on this phone.
I'll help you. All right, first of all, you got to answer the question. Are you interested? If you are, I will assist you. If you're not, then I will give you another day to come back.
Okay. I'm interested. I was just like, okay, I'm interested.
Okay. So we're going to help you, right, with this technology. Okay, so
Right.
this is what's going to happen, Miss Ferguson. You're going to write down May the 7th at 9:20. I'm going to put you in what's called a breakout room, and the judge will do that. You're going to go in, and the attorney's going to speak with you.
That's correct, Judge. Attorney Anita Scott Meisel from Lakeshore Legal Aid. I'd be very happy to speak with Ms. Ferguson.
Okay, and then Ms. Ferguson, when the two of you are finished speaking, when you finish speaking with attorney Scott Meisel, you're free to leave. You can just hang up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, it's gonna be breakout room number 3. So just a second, I'll put you in. You're gonna go in automatically because you're on the phone. So just a second. Okay, I got you for breakout room 3. She should go in, and she did. And attorney Scott Meisel, breakout room 3.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Okay, both parties are in. Okay, great. So at this point, we're going to take another short recess. That's all we have going on so far. We have one last matter. And let me take a look at it for a second. So I have two matters left. 3 matters, really. The 150 Rebecca. And 1 matter is with attorney Norsegan. Okay, so let's take a short recess, and we'll come back at our next case, which should be, just a second, 240. So we got a little wait. Okay, thank you. So we're in recess. Okay, so good afternoon. I have a person on an iPhone. May I have your name?
Brittany Littles. I wanted to change it. I was in the wrong courtroom.
Okay, Miss Little, just a second. This is a landlord-tenant courtroom. So you have a landlord-tenant case. Just a moment, Miss Brittany.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, Miss Little, yes, you're, we're gonna go ahead and put your case on the record. Attorney, Asphalt was present earlier and we gave him the date. So let me call your case and I'll go through it with you. This is case number 213411969, UC 641 Covington versus Brittany Littles. Good afternoon, Miss Littles. May I have your name for the record?
Brittany Littles.
Okay, Miss Littles, you are, just a moment, you're the tenant. Just one second. Miss Littles, this is a non-payment of rent case, and just put your file aside. You're the tenant at 661 Covington Drive, apartment B4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's a yes or no. We gotta take yes or
Yeah,
no.
I'm sorry. Yes, ma'am.
That's okay. It's a non-payment of rent. Plaintiff is seeking past due rents. Attorney Galek was present. He's in a number of courtrooms. This is the first hearing and the court is adjourning all first hearings. So he's aware that your case is being adjourned to May 7th at 9:20 a.m. That's the time and date that I've assigned. Now, so you'll come back on May 7th at 9:20, ask that you check in like 10 minutes prior to court. It is going to be a remote hearing. It's the same as it is today. Are you working with any of the nonprofit legal agencies that are dealing with tenants' rights and possible information on federal funding?
Well, I was in the wrong courtroom.
Yeah.
So while I was in the wrong courtroom, I was talking to someone and they were walking me through that process. Well, the problem that happened with me is it literally is the ignorance on my part on how to go step by step. I need somebody to sit down and show me.
Okay, so listen to my question. I'm gonna cut you off. We have attorneys. We have attorneys that are present.
Okay.
Courtroom to assist you with the knowledge. So you got to get the knowledge, right? So they're willing to assist you and helping you with the process. Are you interested?
Absolutely.
Okay. So right now your court date, I have an attorney that's shaking his head right now saying he wants to.
I have something to say. I have something to say, Judge Garrett, if I may.
Okay.
Ms. Littles, you are not ignorant. People make mistakes, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Well, that's why I was telling her she didn't have the information. You know, she said she was ignorant of the process. And that's why I told her that she would have to get the information and you're willing to help her. So I agree. Thank you for clearing that up. Okay. Otherwise, a lot of us would be ignorant because we didn't know the process of certain things. Okay. So thank you, Attorney Tate. Are you willing to speak with Ms. Littles?
Yes, I will speak with Ms. Littles.
Okay, so Ms. Littles, the court's gonna place you in a breakout room. You're gonna see the prompt shortly. You're gonna go in. Once you're done speaking to Attorney Tate, you're free to leave and I'll see you on May the 7th, okay? Any questions?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Attorney Tate, you're in breakout room 1. I'm placing Ms. Littles in breakout room 1. And I didn't change her name. I can change your name on the screen and then you'll be free to leave. So let me just rename you so we know who you are. Okay, anything else on behalf of either Attorney Tate or Ms. Littles?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you. So Brett's gonna be breakout room number 1, Ms. Littles. And counsel, I can send you the prompt again.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Breakout room, move you to 5, Attorney Tate. You want the same people back in, counsel?
Yes, Your Honor.
Same attorneys and assistants?
Yes.
Okay, so breakout room 1. Okay. And Mr. Owens. Breakout room 1. And Miss Miko. I'm gonna move you to 5 and then I'll move you back to 1. Oops, just a second, move to 1. Okay, and then, okay, everyone's in. Okay, great. Okay, this,